Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you exactly how to create dynamic pages in Wix Studio step by step. So if you are building a website with a lot of content like blog, course catalog, product listings or portfolio, dynamic pages are going to save you tons of time and efforts. With just one design, you will be able to automatically generate multiple unique pages that pull the data from your CMS collection. No need to build each page manually. Now make sure that you watch this video until the very end so that you don't miss any of the crucial steps, especially when it comes to binding elements to your CMS and previewing the dynamic results. I have included all the Wix Studio tools and resources mentioned in this video in the description box below, so be sure to check that out as well and follow along. Now without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your web browser, and here in the search bar you need to just search for wix.com. Now once you are at Wix, you just have to provide your login credentials and you need to just log in into your account. Now once you have successfully logged in, the home page or the dashboard of your Wix Studio will look something like this. Over here, click on the design site option, or you can even click on the website that you are working on and wait for some time until your Wix website editor launches. So once your website launched successfully, it should look something like this. Over here in the left hand section, you will see a bunch of different options. Now among these options, we want to work on CMS. So you will have to first of all hover over to the left hand section and click on this plus icon in the top left hand corner of the screen. Now among the given options, simply click on the CMS option. Over here you will see a bunch of different further options like create collection, database, form database, rich content, etc. So here click on the option of create collection and then click on the get started option over here. After that, it will ask you to create the collection with the help of AI, or you can start from the scratch, or if you already have the CSV file, you can even import it over here. So for this video, I'm going to create it with the help of AI because it will be very quick, but you can also start from the scratch and import from CSV. After selecting this option, it will redirect you on this page where you need to provide the name of your collection. So let's say I provide the name, then you need to provide the details about your collection. Once done, simply click on the next option in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Afterwards, it will take some time in generating the responses for you. As you can see, this is the new collection in which it has made these columns and rows. So if you want to remove or delete any of these, you can do that by unchecking these boxes. For this video, I'm going to keep them as it is and click on the create collection option. So once you have successfully created your CMS, it should look something like this. As you can see, over here you will see the option of add items. So once you click on the add items option, you need to provide the field like the model name. For example, I have this model name, give the description, provide the watch image, select the price and release date, and click on the save option in the top right hand corner of the screen. So since I used AI, it has created already 5 columns for me, but if you are doing it manually, I would recommend you adding at least 3 to 4 items in this list by keep on adding the add item option. So this is where the real magic begins, and all these entries will later auto populate your dynamic pages. So once this step is done, you just have to hover over to the left hand section and click on the search icon in the top. Over here you need to just search for dynamic pages and wait for some time until it shows you the results. So once you search for the dynamic pages, you just have to click on the dynamic pages option, or if your Wix website has the convert option, so you need to select the convert an existing page by clicking the 3 dots besides its name and selecting convert to dynamic page. So whichever method you are choosing, just make sure that the link the dynamic pages to the collection you created earlier. You will now have a single dynamic page template that will display your different content based on the items that you have selected. So in order to bind the elements to your CMS, you will have to first of all scroll all the way to the up, and here you need to click on the header element. After clicking on the header element, you will have to click on the database icon and choose your CMS collection. Then you need to link it to the text header and you are done. So in order to preview, you will have to just do this step in which you need to switch between the items from pages A to B to C, and you will notice the header, subheader, description changing automatically. You can customize the URL to the collection name become the folder, and each item name become the slug. So this is how you can create fully functional dynamic pages in Wix Studio using CMS collections. It is a fast, scalable, and perfect for managing your content heavy websites. So if you have found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more website building tutorials like this one. All the links that you need are down in the description box, so check those out and start building smarter with Wix Studio. Thanks for watching this video and I will see you in the next one.